Class, good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group class. As you know, yesterday we have completed our chapter 6. So now we will move forward to our next chapter, adjective. So everybody knows about the adjective. First, I will tell you what is adjective. So adjective is a word that qualifies noun or pronoun. That means it modifies noun और प्रोनाउन. किसको मॉडिफाई करता है? या तो नाउन को या तो प्रोनाउन को. ओके. एंड yes, or in other language we can say adjective are words that modify noun and pronouns, or we can say adjective are words that qualify noun or pronouns. Okay, they tell us what kind of, how much, how many, what color, size a noun is. Okay, it always tells, it states something more about the noun or pronoun. So adjective is a word that states more thing about noun or pronoun. adjective वो होता है जो noun या pronoun को के बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा बताता है. ओके, they tell us what kind of, वो ये बताता है कि किस तरह के हैं. how much कैसे हैं. how many कितने हैं. what color कैसा कलर है. size a noun कैसा साइज़ है. they also tell whose and which it is. ठीक है. और वो ये भी बताते हैं वो किसका है. ठीक है. विच इट इज़, और ये क्या है. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द अबव एडजेक्टिव कैन बी वेरियस काइंड. ओके, सो टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव डिपेंड ऑन दिस. द काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव डिपेंड अपॉन दिस. हाउ मैनी, हाउ मच, व्हाट कलर, व्हाट साइज. ओके, इन पे डिपेंड करता है. दैट इज़ क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो लेट अस सी आवर नोटबुक वर्क एंड वी ऑल विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टू आवर नोटबुक वर्क. This one is our notebook work. Let us start. So before starting the chapter, as you know, everybody write the date 1/10/2020 and now write the thought. Beautiful is an adjective. Beautiful is an adjective. क्या होता है beautiful? Beautiful is an adjective because beautiful क्या है? किसी की quality है. It is quality of something, so we can say beautiful is an adjective. Okay, so first we put inverted comma, then write beautiful is an adjective, full stop and inverted comma, close. After that write chapter 7, that means next heading. First we underline the thought and after that chapter and after that chapter name. Adjectives, what is adjective now? Clear? Again, adjective are words that modify nouns and pronoun. adjective वो words होते हैं जो modify करते हैं noun या pronoun को. So for example we can say good. Good is a quality. good अच्छा, equality किसी की. yes, हाँ, इट कैन बी गुड और बैड क्वालिटी. बट क्वालिटी गुड भी होती है और कुछ क्वालिटीज़ बैड भी होती हैं. गुड, रेड, शार्प, ब्राइट एक्सेट्रा. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, आफ्टर दैट राइट द काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. सो काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव क्या होते हैं? काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव, first is, as I have told you, how many, how much, what kind of, what size of, these all are depend on these terms. Okay, kinds of adjective depend on these terms. So let us see first adjective of quality. So our first kind is adjective of quality. Now let us move what is adjective of quality. So number one, adjectives which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjective of quality. adjective क्या कहता है? adjective which tell us, adjective जो हमें ये बताए what kind, किस तरह की, a person, एक person और thing is, कैसा है. adjective which tell us what kind a person or thing is, कि कैसा है person और thing, वो क्या होता है? adjective of quality. clear? then example, the foolish fox runs quickly. For example, we can write the foolish fox runs quickly. So adjective is tell us what kind a person or thing. That means it tell the quality, किस तरह का है, किसी की क्वालिटी बताए. ठीक है, किसी पर्सन या थिंग की क्वालिटी बताए. वो एडजेक्टिव कौन से होते हैं? नंबर वन, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. इन एग्जाम्पल, द foolish fox. Fox is a noun and foolish is the word that shows the quality of the fox. So here adjective is foolish. So the foolish fox runs quickly. नंबर सेकेंड, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी और नंबर. नंबर टू, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी और नंबर क्या होता है? लेट अस सी. Adjective of quantity or number. Adjective which tells, this one is number 2. Adjectives which tell us how many और how much, ये बताए कितना है. That means counting, कोई चीज़ counting में हो, 1 2 3 100 1000 lakhs 10 lakhs. Okay, this is known as how many. और how much, कितना है, that means quantity. ओके ये काउंटिंग, ये नंबर्स को डिनोट करता है. हाउ मैनी डिनोट्स नंबर्स एंड हाउ मच डिनोट क्वांटिटी. ओके, सो हाउ मच आर कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. यही एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी होता है. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी और नंबर. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी और नंबर, सो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी रिप्रेजेंट्स हाउ मच एंड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी and adjective of number represent how many. These are the two. How many, that means number. How much means few, some, whole, less, more. These are the adjective of quantity. For example, here is given the example of the adjective of number. I have 100 rupees, and here 100 is adjective of number. Now let us see demonstrative adjectives. What is demonstrative adjectives? So demonstrative, number third is, number first we have seen adjective of quality, after that we have seen adjective of quantity or number. Now third one is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective point out the thing or person that is spoken about. So demonstrative adjectives point out the thing or person that is spoken about. Okay, for example, demonstrate करें, ठीक है, point out करें किसी चीज़ को. हाँ, कोई चीज़ है, देयर इज़ एनीथिंग और अ पर्सन, तो जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है उसे पॉइंट आउट करना है. एंड वी हैव सो मैनी वर्ड्स टू पॉइंट आउट समथिंग, टू डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट. डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट मीन्स टू इंडिकेट समथिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन यूज़ फॉर इट दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज. एवरीबडी नोज दैट वी यूज़ दिस फॉर द वन एंड नियर थिंग, दोज that for the one thing and for the far thing, and this is the plural of these and those is the plural of that. Okay, so demonstrative में जो आपका demonstrative adjective में है this है, क्या है, demonstrative adjective. ऐसे ही होता है this, that, these, those. After that number 4, interrogative adjectives. क्या होते हैं? Interrogative adjectives are adjectives that are used with nouns to ask questions such as what, whose, where and which. Okay, listen very carefully. What is interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjectives are adjectives that are used with nouns, जो noun के साथ यूज़ किए जाते हैं, to ask some questions. कुछ questions पूछने के लिए. वो questions कैसे हो सकते हैं? Such as what, whose, where and which. These are the interrogative adjective. So what, whose, where and which. So interrogative adjective are the adjectives that are used with noun to ask some question. Okay, interrogative adjective we use for the questions, and question words are what, who, whose, where. Okay, so for example we can see whose pen is this. So here whose is interrogative adjective, and after that question mark because it's a question. Next, possessive adjectives. What is possessive adjective? Possessive adjective refer to words which modify a noun by giving a sense of belonging to a particular person or thing. Here we can show the possession. That means अधिकार. जिस चीज़ से जिससे कोई चीज़ belong करती है उसको कहते हैं possessive बोलते हैं. और we can say that belongings. Okay, so possessive adjective are known as noun related with the thing that have belonged to them. Okay, possessive adjective refer to the words which modify a noun by giving a sense of belonging, जिसमें belonging का सेंस हो कि कौन सी चीज़ किसे belong करती है to a particular person or thing. किसी person या thing से कौन सी चीज़ कितना belong करती है. For example, we can say that is my bottle. Okay, that is my bottle. So here my is possessive adjective. ठीक. Here my is possessive. Here I have discussed you 5 kinds of adjective and that is enough for you. First I have told you adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity or number. Third one is demonstrative adjective. Fourth one is interrogative adjective, and fifth one is possessive adjective. Now you tell me that is clear to all of you. What in your syllabus there are only 5 kinds of adjective. So now each and everything is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then write in comment box, and I will ask you some questions related to this video. So everybody listen carefully my videos, and as soon as it is possible I will finish the syllabus. Okay, so try to move fast everyone. Okay, that is clear to all of you. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Thank you and have a nice day.